E-Track is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. E-Track is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to E-Track that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Mytee Products E-Track Cam Buckle Strap. It's a great way to secure cargo within your van or trailer. Built with heavy-duty polyester and boasting a working load limit of 833 pounds, our cam buckle strap is great for securing bikes, equipment, and more. Here's how to use it. Our cam buckle strap consists of two parts: a fixed length strap with a cam buckle and a longer adjustable strap. Press down on the cam buckle lock and feed the long end of the strap through the bottom. Now take the cam buckle side of the strap and insert it into an E-Track fitting. Go to the other side of your cargo and hook the long end of the strap into the E-Track. Once the strap is anchored down to the E-Track and wrapped around your cargo, press down on the cam buckle and pull on the long end of the strap until it fits tight around the cargo. Now roll up the excess strap and tuck it away. The Mytee Products E-Track Cam Buckle Strap will help you stay organized and keep your cargo secure. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your E-Track Cam Buckle Strap today.